In 3, 2, 1.
Oh, wait, we're not just doing a run through? We're not done yet.
This is Dalton Chestnut bringing you WFLL News live from Studio B119. Here to today is my local host, Alex Schools.
Thank you, Dalton. Today we're bringing you breaking news on tire safety. Unfortunately, more and more injuries and even deaths are resulting from low tires. Research shows that in many instances, the problem is related to the age of the tires. While tires are expertly manufactured, extended storage time seems to weaken them. Unsuspecting consumers purchase what they think are new tires, when in fact they can be as much as 12 years old. Sharpie, what do you have for us?
Thank you, Alex. Unfortunately, there was an accident today that shows exactly what we're talking about. This car was driving down the road when it had a tire blowout. Miraculously, only one of the 3 people was injured enough to be taken to the hospital. The police said the accident was a result of a tire failure. The owner of the car said that the tires were almost brand new, but when the police looked at the code, they were actually 7 years old. And now here's a clip of Justin with JD at Frank's Tires.
Thanks, Dalton. Hi, my name is Justin. For somebody who wouldn't know how to tell it, describe a tail whip.
Yeah, you talking about the age of the tire? Yeah, just you can look on any tire that's sold in the continental United States. Look for the first code that says DOT. There'll be a sequence of numbers and alpha letters, and just go to the last set, which is the last 4, and this is the week that it's made, the 37th week of 09, and all tires in the continental United States have to have that number.
Okay. Thank you, JD.
You're quite welcome. Thank you. We appreciate y'all coming by.
Back to you, News Crew.
JD showed us how to read the tire codes and even answered some of our questions about the aged tires. What was your take on the computers? JD gave us great information on how to read the tire codes. The problem most people are having is that they aren't even aware of the code's existence. Then, to look at it, you either have to take the tire off or crawl under the car and look at the back side of the tire. People just don't know how to read the code. Also, from the research I've seen, Frank's is much more responsible business than the in far too many cases, tires are put on the shelves and forgotten. Even the salespeople don't know how old the tires are. Well, Chris, what can we do to fix this? Well, we could always put the tire age in a way that people can read it in a very obvious place on the front and back. Thank you for your time, Chris.
Now for a commercial on a handsome scooter? No, new computer. Geez, it's more than a teleprompter, squirrels. Now we have with us Dr. Skipson, world-renowned for his techniques in improving and innovating the tire industry. Dr. Skipson, welcome to the show.
Studio B119 is an interesting environment for an experiment I am currently working on. I took the liberty of setting it up in the back room.
Did our producers approve of that?
I don't know.
How nice. Dr. Skipson, since we are discussing the important issue of tire safety today, would you please tell us how your experiment pertains to the issue at hand?
Yes, my hypothesis is that if the tire were to be stored in a humid or moist environment, then the shelf life would be greatly extended.
Kind of like a sonnet by Jim?
No, not at all. You see, part of the problem is that over the years, tires dry out and lose their elasticity, much like a rubber band that has sat in a closet for too long, making the tire extremely unsafe and unstable, causing a blowout, if you will. Now, if this begins with the drying out of the tire, I propose it can be solved by the reverse process of moisturization.
So remember, overage tires can be dangerous, and you should always check your tire codes. Under 3 years is the recommended DOT limit. And if you're interested in learning more about the innovative engineering solutions here, go to www.wfllnews.webs.com. And if you're interested in learning more about Dr. Skipsoy's experiment or committing him, you can go to www.skipsoytireexperiments.webs.com. Now this is Alex Torres and Dalton Chestnut signing off. Have a great evening.